Roger! Welcome to Hot Wheels Unlimited! You know what we're all about here. Awesome cars, crazy challenges, and building the coolest tracks around. Right? Right! So first up, you're Welcome to the Build-A-Race Zone! It's time to build your own epic racetracks! That's a ton of track pieces! Connect them to your launcher and get building! See that big arch over there? That's your goal. It'll move with you as you build your track. Neat, huh? When you're ready to race your track, slap the race button. No rush though. Check this out. I've got something amazing to show you. Tap here. Ready to race? Why can't motorcycles hold themselves up? Because they're too tired! Press the spin button for a random name, or swipe the reels to create one. Choose your ride. Race on! See. Two-finger controls. Was cool. And the winner is Roger Dodger.